The location of a conference can really sway a person's decision on whether or not to attend. So there are some key factors you should consider when choosing your next conference location. Hey, I'm Katie with Endless Events, and recently we've seen an increase in the number of work trips that are a combination of business and leisure travel. People want a chance to adventure and explore while also having a uniquely local experience. So some factors that you should consider are accessibility, travel costs, safety, and local attractions. We've put together the top 8 best conference locations in the US. First up is Austin, Texas. Known for its cool, relaxed vibe, it's got a great music scene, good food, and friendly people. There's also a growing tech scene. It's easily accessible from the airport and has a walkable downtown. San Diego, California is one of the most popular locations for conferences in the US because of its great weather. You can have activities on the beach, there are historic neighborhoods and parks, and it's got a large convention center. But the city itself is small enough to get around easily and it's safe. Orlando is one of the most affordable of the major cities, and it's theme park central, so there are tons of resorts and hotels, and has a great art and sculpture scene. It's also known for its great weather, and it's convenient to get to. Phoenix, Arizona has a recently renovated convention center, as well as outdoor activities like hiking and horseback riding, and spas and golf courses. It also has some of the lowest hotel rates of any of the major cities. Denver, Colorado is located in the exact middle of the US, so it's very convenient. It is a state-of-the-art convention center with all the latest technology, but it's also perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who like skiing and rock climbing. In fact, 30% of conference attendees actually extend their visits so that they can experience Denver. Charlotte, North Carolina mixes southern charm and modern conveniences. It's got a booming food and music scene, and it's an up-and-coming city, so the quality is just as good as some of the major cities, but the rates are much more affordable. Las Vegas is a no-brainer. It's one of the biggest cities for conventions, where the convention centers actually have partnerships between hotels and performers. The nightlife is a huge draw, but if people aren't into the party scene, there are also spas and golf courses. And Columbus, Ohio has been rated one of the top 10 smartest cities. It's got a huge draw for younger travelers, where there's a growing foodie, fashion, and street art scene. It's also very convenient to get to. So the location that you choose can have a huge impact on your event. So think strategically about the local attractions and event amenities, and you can provide a uniquely local experience. If you want to learn more, click the link to head to our website, where you can also download our free Ultimate Event AV Guide. Let us know in the comments below your favorite spot for a conference. We would love to hear it. Don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.